Welcome to my channel, Crafty Rika. In this video, we're making this beautiful wreath that will work for spring and for summer. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. So I've already attached my bow, and right now I'm just gluing in the sunflowers, spacing them out evenly, just making sure I cover about half of the wreath. Wreath. So it comes in a bundle, and I'm just going to spread it apart and cut it out, and then I'm going to zigzag it up and down. Having a glue pen is so much easier. I'm able to put it in, and it stays. You can really see it coming together. If I have a glue pen, I highly would suggest it. It makes life so much easier. Bundles of the grass, and I think I used 2 bundles of the sunflowers, and I got those from Walmart, so I think they were like $4 a pop, something like that. And then I got the ribbon from Michael's. So I have 2 different ribbons. I have a blue and white stripe, and then a blue solid. And then I go in later on and add some more tails and stuff just to make it look sharp. Now I'm also adding some blue tulips. My gladiolas. I totally forgot I had these in my stash. I was so happy. So it was a nice little contrast of the light blue and the darker blue. The stalks of the gladiolas, I cut them in half to get them to go further. So I believe I used about 3 different stalks of gladiolas, and they came together really, really well. So I wanted to slow it down just to kind of give you a view of what we're doing right now. And then, like I said, later on, I go back and I add more ribbon to it. So right now I'm just adding more gladiolas, just filling it up. I love that lush, full look. And then this is the final view. I so hope that you like it. I so hope that it inspires you to put something beautiful on your front door. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.